Welcome everyone to HFN, also known as HueFin News. Today's December the 9th, 2020. The location to where we trade different. We don't follow the norm. We don't pay attention to a lot of the fundamental analysis that is out in the markets. We don't pay attention to technical indicators. You know why? Because those are all lagging. We pay attention and focus in on the trap. Now the trap, if this is your first time watching our video, is the individual who controls the market, plain and simple. He directs the ebbs and flow of price. He dictates where the market is headed. And once you understand that, you can also get rid of all of that research and analysis that so many other people try to instill that you need to have. You don't need it. The market is simple. So if this is your first time watching our video, make sure before you go, if you guys appreciate it, hit the like button, share the video, and subscribe to the channel. It's just that easy. It's just that simple. Also, you can join us on our other social media platforms. All the links are in the description of the video. So now today we are going to focus in on Cardano. Okay, it's been about 3 days. December the 6th was the last time we talked about Cardano. You guys can see right here of our expectations of what the market has done since that particular time. We were forecasting that the trap was going to lower the value of Cardano, and you can see it right there. December the 6th was here, and the market in fact did go lower. 9.43% at least could have been bad. You guys could at least took a 9.43% back from the trap from our video on December the 6th. You guys can see already that the trap has shown us that he grabbed support around 13 cents. Ultimately, that would have been about 16.18%. So either way, congratulations on those who was able to capitalize on that market move to the downside. So now that is over. Let's zoom out and take another look as to what the market has been doing since that particular time. So generally, we have a very wide area in the market for Cardano, right? You guys can see we have this massive area of emptiness that the trap can utilize into determining whether or not he's going to break this restriction area of 18 cents or whether or not he's going to hold this ascending line. That's a lot of area right there. But that is actually the area that we need to pay attention to as we go throughout the end of this month, going into the new year of 2021. We need to pay attention to what occurs at those levels. Real quick, let's take a look at the market on a 3-day time frame for Cardano. You all can see here that we're still seeing instances that the market is not all that strong. That bullishness that came into the market starting this particular 3-day price bar and it inched towards 18 cents definitely is gone. I mean, the vigor, the eagerness of the trap to continue to push this market high in Cardano is definitely waning. We're losing that interest, and we need to recognize that that is the case. We've seen the trap unable to break price above 17 cents, even 18 cents, and now the next area or the near-term restriction area is right here around 15.5. So we have 3 steps that the trap will have to overcome in order for us to maintain this massive bullishness that came through in November. 18, 17, and 15.5 cents. Now, let's see the market real quick on a 5-day time frame. So do you all see any strength into the market on the 5-day time frame for Cardano? Because I will tell you that this was the opportunity for the trap to show us he wants to continue to increase the value of Cardano, and it was on this particular 5-day price bar. And here we are, 2 5-day price bars in, and he still is not showing us any strength, period. So if anything, what I'm looking forward to into the market for Cardano is still that sideways consolidation of trading with the increase of movement lower. So now, real quick, let's take a look at the market on the weekly time frame. We got 4 days left, but generally, you guys can still see here that this market in Cardano is not looking all that strong. You know, we got 18 cents as restriction, but now I'm actually seeing around 16 cents. Okay. This is going to be the new area of restriction into the market for Cardano, 16 cents. And it looks as if the trap is going to try to bring the value of Cardano back down to 13 or even 12 cents. So here we are. What do you think the market in Cardano is going to do? Because you can see right now we are noticing that strength is coming to the market in Cardano. Okay, this 4-hour price bar is definitely instilling that he came and grabbed that support at 13 cents. So if anything, I'm looking for the trap to trade the market in between this area. Okay, you guys can see already we're around 14.5 cents. Market may try to top out around 15, and then we'll see another resumption to lower price in Cardano. All right. So the expectation into the market for Cardano is going to be for it to consolidate. I mean, I'm not seeing any biased directional movement so far on the chart. You might, and if you do, tell me, what do you see on this price chart, whether or not you think it's going to go higher or lower? Because right now I'm just seeing sideways consolidational trading. The market is just going to trade sideways over the next 3 days. And that area is going to be in between 13 cents all the way up there to 16. That's what we're seeing. So we're going to play, though, some of that strength, even though we're really looking for it to consolidate. We're going to play some of that strength into the market. Like I told you, 15 cents will have to be our TP location, which is on about 5% market movement from where we are seeing Cardano trade now. Okay. But I'm going to bring it up to around 16 cents just to compensate that there is an outlier possibility that he could tap out around 16 cents. Okay. So this is what we're seeing. Even though for the most part, we're looking for the market just to trade sideways over the next 3 days, we're going to play some of that movement higher in price. Our TP is going to be around 15 cents, which is about 5% profitability market move from where Cardano is being traded at now. And that's it. So if you see something different, definitely let us know. I don't see a lot of strength into the market, and I don't see a lot of weakness right now, but definitely consolidational trading, just sideways. The market is just going to be boring over the next couple of days. We're not going to see that much volatility, that much spread in Cardano. We're not really expecting that. So tell me your thoughts. What do you see in the market for Cardano? Let us know in the comment section. And as always, maintain that profitability and just trade different.